Alright guys, so this video was just kind of going through the syllabus, giving you a few outlines of some things that you might need to know. If you read through the syllabus, you don't need to watch this video, but if you prefer to hear versus read, then watch this video. Alright, so a few things about Algebra 1. One is the ways you can contact me. There's multiple ways to contact me. You can either go to Canvas. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will see a spot that says inbox. You can email me through there, all right? You can always get in contact with me just through Canvas. That's probably the quickest and easiest way to contact me if need be. Option number 2 is going to be Remind. I'm going to give you the code here shortly. Remind, easy way to contact me because all you got to do is pick up your phone, open your Remind app, send me a message. It's going to send me a message right to my phone. Whether I'm here at school or at home, I should see that message. I can't promise that I'm going to respond depending on what time of day or what time of night it is. Hopefully you're not doing any work at night because you're supposed to be getting it done during the day, during your class period. Third option is through my email, brianandminard@kdic.org. And then the last way to contact, this is more for your parents than for you, is my phone number. This goes to my work phone here at school. Again, that is more for your parents, not for you. I prefer you guys to contact me either through Canvas, Remind, or through email. We are a STAR testing subject, guys. That is something to remind yourself. We are going to have a STAR test in May as of right now. Okay, we are going to have a STAR test. So it's important to make sure that you're following along with everything that we're doing throughout this whole process of Algebra 1, throughout this whole class time. Class expectations. Number 1, be prepared. Number 2, log into Canvas every day. Okay, be respectful to everybody in our class. Dress appropriately. If you have, that's more along the lines, if you are on a Zoom call with me, that's what I'm talking about. I don't want to see you guys with no shirts. I don't want to see any cleavage. It's just like if you were coming to actual school. Dress like you're coming to school if you're going to be on a Zoom call. Be honorable. That's along the lines of don't be cheating. All right. We'll get to that. And always try your best, okay? I expect you guys to put 100% effort into this class. Don't have to do it, guys. You need to try your best. You need to put in the work, all right? That's the only way you're going to be successful in Algebra 1 is if you put in the work. Speaking of ways to be successful, supplies you're going to need. Is going to mainly be a spiral notebook or a composition notebook. I don't care which one you guys get. Pick one, get it, have it. Starting on Friday, you need it. We're going to start taking notes on Friday, and I expect you guys to have a notebook, even at home, because those that are coming in person, you're going to need that when you come back to class. Those that are staying KVA, for those that stay online, you are still going to need that notebook because, again, like I said, this is a STAR-tested subject. You're going to want that notebook all throughout the semester to reference when it comes to tests, when it comes to finals, when it comes to preparing for the STAR test. That notebook is very, very useful, all right? So you definitely need it. You need it by Friday, all right? All right, I said we were going to get to the Remind, okay? Every student, every single one of you needs to join my Remind, all right? If for some reason you can't, you need to let me know the reason why. Only reason that I can think of that you cannot join the Remind is if you don't have a cell phone, all right? This is going to be something important because I send out reminders all the time through this. I'll remind you when you got homework. I'll remind you when you got tests. I'll remind you when you have quizzes. It's important to be on my Remind. Just enter this code at ALG1Minard 281010, okay? This is what you text in your Word box I don't know if that's what it's called, but where you text. Put that there, and then this is the number to call, to text it to, all right? It's also an easy way for you to get in contact with me. Again, like I said before, it's another way for you to send me a message if you need help. Attendance. I briefly mentioned this in my other video. You need to log in to Canvas every single day, but that's not going to be the way that I'm going to look at your attendance. The way I'm going to look at your attendance is there's going to be an attendance quiz every single day, and you're going to have to do this in every single class period. So best to go ahead and start getting used to it. This is how we're going to know, did you come to class or did you not? You need to make sure that you are logging in during your class period time, all right? So first period, you're logging in at 7:15. I see you in class at 7:15 and you're taking that attendance quiz. You're clicking yes and submitting. That way I know, hey, Johnny, he's already logged in, he's good, he's present for the day, all right? For my class period. You'll have to do it in all your other class periods as well. So again, if you do it in biology, that doesn't mean that you don't do it again in Algebra 1. It's attendance for each class period, all right? Again, that's going to be on Canvas. It's going to be in our modules, so easy for you to find. Now, if you don't log in by the end of your class period, do you still need to do your work if you log in later? The answer is yes, guys. Still make sure that you do your work, even if you don't get to class on time, if you don't get that present for attendance, still log in, still complete your assignments. You will still be able to get your grades for your assignments, even if you were absent in class. But it is still important for you to attend class on time. Attendance still is important. Attendance still counts. All right. Tutoring. I'm going to have tutoring throughout the week. All right. While we're in online learning right now, I'm going to be having tutoring Monday and Wednesday. It's going to be from 3 to 3:30. I will have a Zoom call open and available for anybody that wants to come for tutoring. Come with questions, ready. That way, when you're coming in, you can just say, hey, Ms. Minard, I don't know how to work out this problem. It doesn't make sense where I go next. Tell me what you need help with so that way I can help you. All right? So again, that's Monday and Wednesday. I also have tutoring on Thursdays, but that is for KVA students only. All right? So that is anybody that's in my first, my third, or seventh period. Those 3 periods are the only ones allowed to come to my tutoring on Thursdays. All right? Everybody else, it's Monday and Wednesdays. A link is up on our Canvas homepage that you just got to click on, and it will take you to the Zoom meeting should you want to attend tutoring. Grading, you guys can take a look at that. You guys kind of know, I would think, the normal breakdown. Tests count the most. Quizzes are 30%. Daily work, 15%. We will get into tests and quizzes later, but take a minute, read through these things right here, okay? Homework, again, this is stuff we'll get into more later, guys. I'll get into the more specifics. The key thing is, guys, make sure that you are doing your homework. It's going to be a good and important thing to do because it's going to help you be prepared for class. It's going to help you be prepared for your test. All right? So make sure that you are doing the homework, that you are submitting it on time. Now, when you submit your homework, if I tell you, hey, take a picture of the work you did and submit it, there are some things that you need to know. I expect you guys to do your own homework. You guys can help a buddy if you want to, but I expect you guys to do your own work. Don't send me Johnny's paper. I don't want Johnny's paper. I want Mary's paper, okay? Each of you need to send in your own work. When you do that, the way I'm gonna know that it's your work is you're gonna write your name in either pen, marker, something that can't be erased. That way I know, hey, this is Mary's work, not Johnny's work. If I can't read your name, if there's something wrong to where I can't read it, it's not legible, then we're gonna have a little bit of a problem. Make sure that I can read the name. Just because you submit it under your name, I still need to be able to read the name on the paper. Again, this is to help me know that you didn't cheat off of somebody else's paper. I'm not saying that you guys would cheat. I'm just saying this is a way for me to know that it never happened. Don't even have, that way I don't have to question you at all. Again, I will go back through this when we come to actually having our first homework. All right. Last thing, I almost forgot. Late work. You guys can turn in late work. It'll be 10 points off a day. So if you got an assignment that's due on Friday, turn it in on Monday if you finish it up over the weekend. All right. Finish it up over the weekend. Turn it in over the weekend. Yeah, it could be counted late, but hey, at least you're getting a grade. Don't be afraid to turn in late work if for some reason you accidentally got really busy and didn't turn in the work. Make sure that you still get everything turned in. You want to try and get it turned in on time as best as possible though. All right. You guys have any questions over the syllabus, just shoot me a message, guys. Again, you guys read all the way up to the top. The 3 ways for you to get in contact with me. And again, make sure that you are going to the remind and being added to that. And make sure by Friday that you're getting that spiral notebook. All right? That's it for me. Go ahead and continue on to the next part of this module.